Hi guys, this is a quick one. I bought this Victorinox Camper. It's brand new. Just to throw it in my backpack as a backup knife. For those of you who don't know, Victorinox Camper, it's a 91 millimeter Swiss Army knife that comes with a main blade. See this one right here. A secondary small blade, bottle cap opener with a 90-degree position with a stripping notch. See, it locks into place very well. On the other side, the can opener with a 3 millimeter flat screwdriver, and of course the 6 millimeter screwdriver, it's on the bottle cap opener. And what makes this the camper? It's actually the saw blade, pretty capable saw blade. Also on the back side, the usual 4-turn corkscrew. Here you have the hole for the pin, and of course the awl/reamer with a sewing eye. So basically this knife, it's a Spartan with a saw. And also present in the scales, the tweezers, and of course the toothpick. So while doing the tool size compare with my Sportsman right here, I noticed something very interesting. The corkscrew on the Sportsman seems to be a little more thick than the one on the Camper, and also the one on the Camper seems to be a little darker. I don't know, that seems very strange to me. And yeah, also taking into consideration the size of these two knives, the Sportsman is an 81 millimeter knife, and the Camper is a 91 millimeter knife. So if anyone knows why is this happening, why the corkscrew on the Sportsman seems to be more thick than the other one on the larger knife, and also why this one has this darker hue, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one.